The new flight jacket comes in many different color combinations. We will review the navy retina burn with the Prizm road lenses. At first glance, the flight jacket looks like the next generation of Jawbreaker, but it is quite different. One of the problems in cycling is that the upper field of view is blocked. In the flight jacket, there is no frame above the brow, which gives you a larger field of view when your head is tilted down while riding. The new multifunctional Nosepiece is designed to make flight jacket move up about 5 mm with a flip of a switch, causing the frame to sit slightly further out from your face, which also increases airflow below the lens. Another critical feature in cycling is the tight fitting. The retention flight jacket has a tight tip-to-tip with the necessary rubber that sticks to the head. But it also has an interchangeable temple mechanism that helps you fit it better to your helmet. So if your head is a little bit smaller, and you feel some crushing in your helmet, you can switch the temples with the smaller ones, like this. Inside the box, you get full documentation of the product, as well as some visual instructions on how to use the Nosepiece and the interchangeable temples. Flight jacket sunglasses are available with Oakley's Prizm lenses, which filter light and fine-tune colors to enhance detail. Prizm polarized and photochromatic lenses also are available. In total, Oakley offers a lot of lens and frame combinations to choose from. Additionally, fit, size and comfort are very similar to the Jawbreakers, so if you've tried those, you'll find the flight jackets largely the same. If you like our video, please consider subscribing to our channel. Hit that like button, and click on the little bell to be the first to know of our next video. Thanks for watching. See you on our next video.